Ethereum is breaking out of a multi-year squeeze here, which is massive. Also, we can see there is plenty of room to go for Ethereum on the RSI. We are in some massive profits and massive trades we're going to discuss in this video. Also, we predicted this move here, this pump, exactly on the dot here. And we have some very important news about Ethereum. But first of all, please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss a move once again in crypto. And please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this video if you love those daily update videos. And please make sure to join our free community here. It's completely free and you will be updated once again here, and you will be never missing a move into crypto once again, because all the trades I'm in right now I've shared over there. But let's dive into the first chart right now, because what we can see here is that Ethereum created resistance on the top side and support on the lower side, and this pattern was tend to break out here. But what we are seeing right now is a breakthrough old resistance here, which is massive. We're literally breaking 4-year-old resistance here for this breakout, and we can see that this breakout is very powerful here. We can see that we're literally blasting through resistance. Momentum is higher than ever, and we are literally printing new all-time highs right now on Ethereum. What we can expect here is some major volatility towards that 6k and maybe even 10k here, but also maybe a little pullback towards old resistance to fill up all the orders for the next leg up is a massive opportunity here. This pattern is literally bringing Ethereum in the edge of a $10,000 here, and that is exactly what I am anticipating on. Because if we look how big this pattern is, if we break this one out towards the upside, we're literally pumping 170% here, and 10k for Ethereum is in the room here, and that is exactly what I am anticipating on. But for now, what we can see here is Ethereum broke the 4.7k here. But every single time we set a top on Ethereum here, when we saw a little consolidation here and a little pullback, we saw the RSI topping out in this resistance zone. And what we can see here is that we're not at that resistance zone right now, but we really want to keep an eye on this one as well, because we pumped very much towards the upside here, and it's never bad to take some profits. So if we pump in this resistance, I will take some profit off the table, not because I believe that Ethereum is going to crash towards old levels, but I expect maybe a little cool down towards the downside, and if that happens, we can go all in with our profits, and that's exactly what we want to be doing here. So I'm keeping you updated about maybe a little cool down on Ethereum, because if we see so, that will be the biggest chance of this bull run here. And also on which trades I'm taking profit here are these trades. I'm in a massive profit here. I flipped this account from 50k towards 103k within 2 weeks here. And what can we see here is that this trade I opened up right here. So I was in a drawdown, of course, but I knew that Bitcoin was about to go nuts here, and I opened up that position with 40k margin. I'm currently up $13,000 on that one. Then my Pepper trade is doing fine. It's consolidating. It's also in a $17,000 profit. But for now, my biggest positions are on Ethereum and Bitcoin, because I really think that Ethereum isn't done yet, and I really want to see a top forming on Ethereum before scaling into some other altcoins here. So for now, my Ethereum trade is almost 14 Ethereum in profit, which is massive, which is literally $60,000 once again here. And my Bitcoin position is in a profit of approximately 0.35 Bitcoin, which is also approximately 35 towards 40k here, which is massive. But of course, if we see a top on the RSI, I am taking some profit off the table for this Ethereum trade. And also maybe now I scoop up some profits of my Bitcoin trade. The Pepe trade, I'm gonna let it run towards literally massive profits here. All these trades I opened up here, I shared them live in my Telegram group. Literally all transparent. Also this one, which is in a 12k profit right now, which was in a 12k drawdown. I shared it right over there. So please make sure to join my free Telegram group here in the description. It's completely free. You can sign up and you will be never missing a move in crypto once again, or a big trade. Because if you joined it, you would have been in all these trades, and we literally are printing here, and it's not too late to join. So please make sure to do so. Then what we are seeing on Bitcoin right now is a massive pump towards the upside. And you think, okay, you maybe didn't predict this, but look at this. I posted about it this morning that we are tend to break out towards the upside here. And I posted this pattern even before something happened over on my X page. And that's why it's also important to follow me over on X, because that happened and we saw a breakout towards the upside, a perfect retest here, and then a massive expansion towards immediately TP here. So that's why it's so important to follow me over on those socials. And also with that, it's a good proof that literally my trades are going nuts, because I'm talking about the crypto market a lot, but I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Of course, you can see those trades running into very big profits. And also this, before it happened, we called it out, and this is exactly what happened here. So we are crashing the market like crazy the last few weeks, and that is really good to see. Also, something really important here, and I want you to warn about this, because this is massive here. If you look at the total market cap, excluding the top 10 coins, so these are pure altcoins, what we can see is that we have a golden cross here. And the last time we saw that golden cross happening, we saw a pump of approximately 80%. And that is exactly what we are seeing right now. And of course, we pump towards the upside, but we have way more room towards the upside here. And that is exactly what I want to be catching here with altcoins in my portfolio. So please make sure to look out for these charts, because these charts are dangerous for the upside, and this is literally where you want to make your gains and your moves here. Also, which a company that is making big moves here is that there is a Bitmine massive buy coming to Ethereum of approximately $20 billion here, which is massive. The last time someone invested 10 billion in Ethereum, we surged from 2k towards 4.5k. And literally now there is twice the money is flowing into Ethereum now. So I think with this buy coming up here, this could easily send Ethereum towards the $10,000 here, which is massive. And it's also good to see, of course, there's flowing money into the market, but it's very good to see that such big companies here are flowing money into Ethereum and put their trust in Ethereum. And that's why I think we're gonna push way higher on Ethereum here. And that's why I'm confident with my positions as well, of course. And that was it for today's video. Please make sure to follow me over on my socials. Follow me over on X. You can join also my Telegram group from my X bio, but also you can join them in the bio of this video. And please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel to never miss a daily update video once again. And please make sure to like this video if you love those daily update videos. And I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.